Good morning, and now the last article of this unit as well as the last article of our syllabus. This is the last article of paper number 15, I think. Same 6, last article now, and this is about fidelity. You have to draw this figure separately in all these 3 articles. You have to draw this figure in sensitivity. You have to draw this figure in selectivity. You have to draw this figure separately in fidelity. This figure is invariably needed in all the 3 articles, remember. Now, let us go to the last article, fidelity. Fidelity is ability of a radio receiver to respond equally. It is ability of a radio receiver to amplify all modulating frequencies equally. Fidelity is the ability of a radio receiver to amplify, to respond equally to all modulating frequencies. It means that the fidelity of a radio receiver is mainly decided by the frequency response of an audio amplifier. You know, audio amplifier is there in the radio receiver. Frequency response of this audio amplifier will decide fidelity of the radio receiver. What is meaning of fidelity? Ability of the radio receiver to equally amplify all the modulating frequencies. After demodulation in the receiver, the modulating information is recovered. The modulating information may range from 100 Hz to 10 kilohertz. Sometimes it may be slightly more than this. The output corresponding to the radio receiver in terms of this power can be expressed in a decibel and taken on y-axis. The frequencies starting from 100 Hz to 10 kilohertz or sometimes more than that is varied in equal step, and every time the output in decibel is noted. The frequency response of this AF amplifier should be flat. Ideal frequency response of this amplifier should be flat. It means that this audio frequency amplifier equally treats every audible frequency. Every audible frequency is equally modified. Then only it is possible to hear the complete music. What is meaning of complete music? The music which has all types of notes, all types of frequencies, from low range to high range. When the music is full of all this frequency, then only the music will be a complete music. It will have all types of notes which are required in that music, in that song. Then only the music will be complete. Otherwise, if its frequency response is not same for all frequencies, it is different for different frequencies, then what will happen? The fidelity will be poor. Fidelity of the radio receiver will be poor. The music heard on that radio station, the music heard by selecting that radio station will not be complete, will not be a quality music, will not be a quality song. And therefore, to have high fidelity, the frequency response of the audio frequency amplifier in the radio receiver should be flat. Let us see how to get this fidelity curve for a radio receiver. To obtain a fidelity curve for a radio receiver, let us select carrier frequency. Let us suppose that the carrier frequency selected is about 1000 kilohertz. Carrier frequency selected is 1000 kilohertz. It is corresponding to resonant frequency of one radio station. Okay, then initially this FM may be kept 100 hertz. Initially this FM may be kept 100 hertz. MA will be 30% as it is. Okay, this AM given to dummy antenna, from dummy antenna it is given to radio receiver, then instead of this loudspeaker it is given to R equivalent, and this is the power meter which measures the power. Here you need to adjust the input voltage so that the power at the output will be 50 milliwatt for every input. So let us do it this for 100 hertz, then do it for 500 hertz, then do it for 1 kilohertz, then 2 kilohertz, 3 kilohertz, 4 kilohertz. Just go on changing this FM. 2 kilos, 3 kilos, 4 kilos, 5 kilohertz, 6 kilohertz, 7 kilohertz, 8 kilohertz, 9 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz. Note the standard output. Convert the output in decibel and draw this on a graph paper. Output in decibel, frequencies 100, 1K, 2K, up to 10K. This is the fidelity curve. Output voltage, various audio frequencies. For each audio frequency, the gain is found to be same. The output power is found to be same. It means that each audio frequency is equally amplified. Gain for each audio frequency of the audio frequency amplifier is same, and therefore the fidelity curve is exactly flat. As it is exactly flat, it means that fidelity of this radio receiver is good fidelity. As it is good fidelity, you can hear, you can enjoy complete music from the selected radio station. This is about the fidelity and measurement of fidelity. This is the last article of our syllabus. We started with number system. After that we went for the logic gates. After that we completed modulation and demodulation, and finally we completed the communication electronics. Each and every article is taught, explained in depth wherever mathematical expressions are needed, mathematical expressions written and they solved, so that you can understand those mathematical equations. At the same time, interpretation was given to every mathematical expression. So this way we have completed the syllabus of this paper. Please watch and observe all the video lectures, because we have completed 100% syllabus. No article is left untaught. Whenever you come across any difficulty or any ambiguity, you are free to ask questions. Take care and all the best for your examination. Thank you.